Hello everyone, welcome to the BOSJOB channel. Ever since I got into the welding and automotive body repair equipment industry, I have continuously heard a rumor that automotive sheet metal will keep getting thinner and thinner. With technological advances, it has traditionally been believed that thicker automotive sheet metal is safer, but nowadays there are more and more technologies to ensure passenger safety. It's also a fact that thinner body panels help reduce vehicle weight, which in turn saves fuel and energy. Just this year, we also received information from distributors in Japan and Europe, hoping that we can provide technical support for automotive thin sheet metal. What kind of machine is used for welding? What is the procedure? It should be able to weld on automotive fenders as thin as 0.5 or 0.6 meters without piercing or damaging the vehicle body. Furthermore, it should be low cost, for instance, compared to the STT process used by the world-renowned manufacturer Lincoln. It can definitely be done, but it shouldn't cost a fortune. BOSJOB MIG-230 is new improved. This new machine is designed specifically for automotive sheet metal and thin plate spot welding, the BOSJOB MIG-230s. This machine is an upgraded version of our highly regarded MIG-250S from recent years. It features smooth arc ignition technology that allows for smoother arc initiation, reducing the risk of wire stubbing and arc disturbances. Adjust welding with one knob using advanced tech, allowing you to easily control the welding voltage and wire feed speed with just one knob. Inductance adjusts arc, and the helmet darkens lens, while auto-darkening helmet allows lens to darken prior to arc initiation, protecting your eyes and ensuring greater comfort. Getting back to the main point, when working with thin sheets of 0.5 or 0.6 meter, there are several operations to keep in mind. 0.6 wire cuts current, heat, and burn chance versus 0.8, which compared to 0.8 mm wire helps prevent the welding current from becoming too high, effectively reducing heat input and minimizing the risk of burn through. During welding, make sure to keep the torch tip in direct contact with the base material, keeping the angle near 90 degrees to reduce wire lower impedance and thus lowering output impedance and improving the smoothness of arc initiation in spot welding, making the whole process just like a close-range Wing Chun short punch. Just one precise hit, and that's all. Regarding the electronic inductance settings, we recommend using a smaller unit, which enhances DIDT and arc dynamics, making it ideal for thin sheet spot welding. Use mixed gas. Mixed gas lowers voltage, reduces spatter, improves welds. Using a mixed gas can lower the operating voltage, reduce spatter, and produce more attractive weld beads. Inspect welds for issues. Adjust voltage, current. It indicates poor welds, so you might want to adjust welding settings to ensure strength. So you might want to slightly increase the welding voltage and current, making sure the weld nugget isn't too high, but still has enough fusion depth to ensure strength. Another appealing aspect of the MIG-230S is its price. The MIG-250S is a practical, reliable, and affordable, with its design optimized for automotive repair, sheet metal shops, chassis manufacturers, and furniture factories. This makes it practical, reliable, and budget-friendly, a fantastic option for straightforward operation. Follow BOSJOB. We make welding easy for you.